How to fix Darkest Days crashing issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Darkest Days and finding that the game keeps crashing, freezing or suddenly closing, then here are several simple things you can try to get the game running more smoothly. Firstly, restart the Darkest Days game. Close the game off completely and launch it again. From the bottom of the screen, swipe upwards to bring the app switcher. Now, simply go ahead and drag the app switcher upwards and release. This will force close the Darkest Days app. Now launch the game again and the game will restart. Restarting can sometimes fix temporary issues. After you restart a game, go ahead and check if you have a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your data, depending upon the device type you're using. Once you do that, you can now start the game. If the problem still does not fix, then go ahead and try updating Darkest Days. Open up from your device, go to the search bar and type in Darkest Days. Once you do that, from the search results, look for the Darkest Days app and check if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version of Darkest Days. So that's how you easily update your app. Now you can launch the game open again. And also, don't forget to close off any unnecessary apps and programs before launching the game. This can free up memory and system resources. After you launch open the game again, go ahead and tap the tablet menu at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on the gear button at the bottom. After you open the settings menu, go to graphics from the top and under graphics, go ahead and select to low or medium. After you do that, click on save at the bottom right, and after you do this might help your game to launch smoother. Also make sure that your device has enough storage space. A nearly full drive or device can sometimes cause performance problems. So, once you have enough storage, the game will then run smoothly. So there you have it. That's how you easily fix Darkest Days crashing issue. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.